guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into the Christmas card. Yes! So this is a tutorial. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Christmas card template on ZAZZLE for your ZAZZLE store. This is completely catering to the ZAZZLE. For every platform it will be different, but you get the idea how to make a Christmas card. Now there are so many varieties of Christmas card you can make, the photo card, the text-based cards. You can even add the illustrations, the graphics, which you can get it from the Creative Fabrica. I'm going to leave the link of the Creative Fabrica in the description box below, or you can get all the various resources. But today we were going to go into this tutorial of making the Christmas card. So let's dive in. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because we upload daily videos. When we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources, the link in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section, and it contains a full commercial license, so you can very well use it. So let's dive in with my laptop, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to make the Christmas card. Now, I'm not gonna be going into much detail about it. I'm just gonna showing you the simplified, easy way to make a one. Now, for those of you guys who would be thinking, oh, Christmas is in December, you are making this video in August, why so early? Well, let me tell you guys, you need to prepare for fourth quarter. Fourth quarter is the amazing time of the year when you get the most of the sales for your shops. Especially, I'm talking based on a print-on-demand experience, but also from general point of experience. You're gonna get a bunch of the sales, the seasons, and holidays. So you need to prep yourself much before that holiday actually come, at least 2 to 3 months, because it's allow your products to be actually there on the platform and to be searchable while that particular season comes up. And also, many people buy before the season because they also want to give someone to their friends, to family members, or for their business, whatever it is. So it's best to prepare for the quarter 4 and the quarter 3. So that's why I am preparing right now. That's why this tutorial is coming right now, not in the November. Okay, so let's dive in with the Christmas card tutorial. Yes, guys. Now probably I'm going to be going a little bit into regarding the Christmas cards, so we can do a little bit of the research, and then we will going to go into making that Christmas card, because I also want to show you guys how to do the research for any particular keyword or any particular niche or topic on ZAZZLE, and then proceeding with making your own product based on that research. So we're just going to probably go into the Christmas cards, and we're going to take an idea and take a look at what kind of Christmas cards are popular, and you will going to probably see on the very first page itself, like you don't need to go into the page 100 or so. So we're going to be just diving into that, the Christmas stockings, the Christmas decor, the invitation, the cards, the wrapping papers, postcards, and so on and so forth. You can create the snowflakes invitations, fun Christmas cards, the template Christmas decor. I'm just gonna go over to the simply the Christmas cards, and when I search the Christmas cards in seconds customize thousands of Christmas cards at once with your name and photo. So here the people are just adding the name and image and photo and text on their Christmas card. So they can very well do, but we don't want to go into that route. Let me just scroll down, and you're gonna see a bunch of the options over here: the flat cards, the folded cards, the postcards, the trifold cards, the foil cards, the magnetic cards. These are the different kinds of cards that people can create, and we can also create in our store. Now you can see the most of the cards that are there on the first page are the photo card. The people can replace these pictures and can add their own pictures and can create one. So here is the different card, is the watercolor floral wreath. So that's why this is a little bit different over here. But let me just scroll down, and you're gonna see a bunch of the different kinds of Christmas card. This is also the photo card. So there are mostly the photo cards are there. Now this one is not a photo card. This is with the illustration over here. Again, the photo card. This is an illustration. This is a simple text-based design, a funny Christmas card. Simple text-based design. You can also create a text-based design. You don't need to go into creating a photo card if you are not okay with that. So a bunch of the different types of cards are popping up. You get the idea what you want to create over here, whether you want to go with a photo card or whether you want to go with a simple illustration card or a text-based card. Now these are some kind of options we can very well go over here and can proceed with that. First page, and then you can probably choose from here. Even you can choose the flat cards, the postcards, whatever you want to create, but we will be creating today the flat cards. We won't be creating into the fold cards. So this is the result. Let me just click over to the flat cards, and now the flat cards, you can see there are also the pictures, the photo card, the photo Christmas cards, or even in general, the photo cards are so popular on ZAZZLE because the people can replace the photograph and can place their own photograph because they're using their cards on the ZAZZLE as a template to customize and personalize it according to their use. So you can see most of the cards are the photo card. Because these are so popular, you can also do the photo card, you can get the pictures, and then you can create it as a template so that people can actually customize it and can add their own pictures whenever they are purchasing it. So this is the thing look like, but we will going to make a simple card. I won't be going into creating a photo card, and if you guys want me to create a photo card, do let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to create a photo greeting card, I would probably make another video for that. But today's video, I'm not gonna go into the photo card over here, so I get the idea what type of thing are popping up. I'll just gonna go into the typography, because currently in today's tutorial I'm focusing more on the typography. The photo cards are still popular. Now this one is the card which is not in photograph, it's just a simple illustration in the text-based design. So you can take the idea what you can create over here, but do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a separate video showing you how to make a photo card, because photo cards are most popular. Now this is just a simple one. If I just click over this card, and we're just gonna take a look what this card actually look like. The modern brush script bright Christmas card. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, the Jackson's family. And below is written Erica, Steve, and Jax. And at the back it's a flat card. So at the back it's just the illustrations, and that's all. It's a simple card, anyone can create it. So let's dive in with creation tool and create a card over here. So when you go click over here, guys, you probably need to sign into ZAZZLE to add the product into your store. Now right now I'm not gonna sign into my account. I'm just gonna be creating from this search engine only, from the outside section only. But probably if you are adding any product into your store, please sign into your account, because if you're creating without signing into your account, the products that you have created can't be saved, and you then very well need to just repeat the process of actually signing in and then adding the products and on. So if you're adding any product in your store, just sign in before you actually add anything in your shop, because otherwise it won't be added in your shop, and the things that you have made, the card you have made, won't be saved. And you creating over here, because I just want to show you how to create a Christmas card. That's what tutorial is all about. So I'm going to be going over to this option, that is a plus option, the create option. Now you're getting the bunch of the options over here, the text elements, the black cards. You can also take a look at illustrations, the backgrounds, and social media templates. But we want the blank products, then only we can create our own card. Now you very well need to sign in before actually doing this procedure, otherwise you're gonna not get that option over here. So I'm gonna be going over into the greeting cards, invitation stationery. And from that I need to pick up a card. We are creating a Christmas card, so I probably need to create a card over here. So I'm going to be going with the flat card. This is a folded greeting card if you want to go with that, but I'm going to be going with the flat card. I think this one would look good. So let me just click over here. Now you're getting the bunch of the options over here. You can create this kind of card over here as well. This is the shape of the card. Or you can even create a normal card, whatever it is. I think I'm going to create this kind of card because it looks amazing. Now you very well need to go over to the option that is the add image over here, and here we are on to designing tool in the ZAZZLE. Now it's written over here, hi, want to save your work, sign in. So if you want to save your work, please do sign in. I'm not gonna save my work over here, so that's why I haven't signed in to my account, but do very well do it if you want to save your work over here. Okay guys, now we're just gonna create a card over here. So I want a background. First of all, I'm gonna be selecting a different background from my card. So I think I'm gonna be selecting the background as red. Okay, and now I'm gonna be choosing a text, and here I'm gonna be writing Merry Christmas. Okay, it's written in black. I wanted the color to be as white. Okay, just give me a second over here. So it's there in the white, but I think that it's not looking good. So I want my Christmas to be on the second line, because it's on the first line, it's not looking that good. Now I'm gonna change the font to something which I think that will going to look beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one font, that is a Satisfy. Increase the font size to maybe an 80. Let's see how it's going to look like. Yeah, I think it's probably looking good. This is a preview, you can see, but I think that it's much bigger in size, so I think I'm gonna go into 70. 70, still I think 60. Yeah, 60 is perfect. It's not looking that big and it's looking perfect on it. The another thing I want to do over here, and added the over more text over here, the Anderson's family. Now guys, I'm creating a template over here. Like anyone can go over here and can write their own family over here. So I'm just writing an address and family. If someone is from Morgan family, someone is from Marquesi family, or whatever family they have, they can just add this template and can use it the way they want to. So probably I'm going to be changing the, let me just pick up as a real big bold and decreasing the font size 30. I think I need to decrease it more. Okay, so Merry Christmas, the Anderson family. The people can very well change the name over here and write their own family type or whatever the name of the person, whatever they want to write over here. And I'm going to be also writing your text over here. If someone wants to write additional thing over here, maybe a Happy New Year, maybe a name of their people, maybe the name of the different people, they can very well go and proceed with that. Now, one thing I want to tell you guys, I'm gonna be going into this text as a Merry Christmas. Just scroll down. You're gonna see the different options over here. Make object permanent and always visible. We don't want that. We want the people to actually edit them the way they want to. If they want to change the font size or the font, they can change it, do whatever they want to. So make this as a template object. Just select this option and you're allowing your object, your text to be used as a template so people can edit it. The same I think I'm going to be doing with the Anderson family. And here I'm going to be writing as a family. The people can write it, okay? Then also the your text here as well. And I'm going to be writing is as a add your text. If someone wants to write additional text, they can very well do it. So this is just a simple basic card. Probably I think I'm just going to scroll it down a little bit more. I'm just going to shift it and just take this one in a center. And yeah, and then I can add a little bit of these small circles. So let me just do it. Okay, here we are. I think it's looking perfect. Just copy them, or I think I'm gonna change the color ones and then going to copy them. We'll be selecting as a fill color white and the border color as white itself. So let's see how it look. I think I need to change the size of the circle a little bit, and yeah, so I can just copy this and we're going to paste on the card, making it as an illustration sort of stuff. Now it's definitely a simple card, guys. You can very well add different kinds of illustration over here, like the Santa Claus or anything you can do over here, guys, and you can add the different varieties of the stuff over here. So let me just do it. Copy and paste it over here as well. And give it something over here. I think it's sufficient because you can see the preview over here, how our card is looking. You can either delete it. I just added it just to make it a little bit more amazing. And then we're just going to go into the layers and just scroll down. And at the back, you can either write a message over here, or either you can just leave it blank only. It depends on you. So I'm going to be writing add your text. So people can add their text if they want to add over here. Now it's a white color text, so I need to change it to as a black. Or I think I'm going to change this as a red because this is a red color card. And then changing the fonts to something like Rubik Light. Let's see. Let me decrease the size to, yeah, that's fine. And then just allowing it as a template so people can add the text, and boom, done. So we are done with the card, guys. You can see this is the Christmas card. This is quite simple, and this is as simple as that. Like, people can personalize it. You can see that if I'm just going to click over to the personalize option, people can change the text, the Merry Christmas, the interest and family, your text, and can make all the changes over here and can make it according to their use. And at the back, we have only just the simple add your text. You can even add some illustration over here if you want to, but this is just a simple Christmas card. This is a red Christmas card. There's a flat card, as simple as that. And then either you can sell it. This is just a tutorial to show you how to make a Merry Christmas card. This is just simple, like simple red color card I made. You can add the photo card, you can add the different illustration, you can do it the way you want to. But do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a tutorial on how to make a photo card in ZAZZLE. I'm gonna be probably making that kind of tutorial as well. Now you can see that the back we had just write the add your text, and at the front side this is one. The people can personalize it over clicking over here, and probably you can click over to the sell it option, add your tag, title, description, and just post it to be live on the ZAZZLE marketplace. But this is just a tutorial. Hopefully you find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Hopefully you find today's video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you want more such video, consider subscribing. And also, guys, if you want the exclusive email newsletter, which will be coming into your email inbox soon, it's right now on the wait list. Consider subscribing. The link is in the description box below. It will going to contain a tons of valuable information to help you make more money. The tools, the tips, the tricks, and so much more which I haven't covered so far in my YouTube videos on this channel, and I won't be covering in anywhere in my online space content. So that would be an exclusive email newsletter. It's 100% free, so make sure you join the waitlist. The link is in the description box below. Okay guys, thank you so much for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.